With its long days, beautiful weather and time for rest and relaxation, everybody loves summer. Until summer actually arrives and then it's too bright, too hot, too sweaty and too busy. Never fear though, here are things you need to negate your summer woes. Number 1. Portable neck fan. Not only does this product look cool, it also keeps you cool. Available in 7 different colors, the fan hangs around your neck and blows cooling air out of its 72 outlets at 3 different speeds. Its extra quiet twin-turbo fans only generate up to 20 decibels of sound, and its 4000 mAh batteries provide up to 16 hours of operating time before needing to be recharged. Number 2. BBQ Tools. Summer without a barbecue is like a shirt without the R. Barbecuing isn't just throwing a lump of meat on the fire, it's a precise art and requires precision tools. This 24-piece set includes a meat injector, a temperature probe, skewers, a knife, salt and pepper shakers, as well as all of your more traditional barbecue tools. It comes with a lightweight business-like aluminium case, so you can keep your tools organized whilst letting everyone know you mean business. Number 3. Gigapump. For some odd reason, summer tends to bring a lot of inflatables. Inflatable beds, seats, swimming pools, lilos, rubber rings, drink holders, balls, the list goes on and on. So whether you're an adult, adolescent or child, you'll spend a lot of time inflating and deflating things. The Gigapump 2.0 is a tiny portable electric pump that is capable of inflating 10 standard mattresses on one single charge. It comes with a variety of different adapters for every type of inflatable, and its motor can also run in reverse, allowing you to quickly deflate them too. If that isn't enough, it also comes with a handy lantern and 3 different brightness settings, from 40 lumens to 400. Number 4. Reusable popsicles. These silicone popsicle molds are ideal for summer, not only because they're washable and reusable, but they allow you or your kids to make your own popsicles. Use up leftover juice or fruit, or make your own frozen yogurt. The molds all come with a lid to keep the content inside the mold while it freezes, and also to keep it fresh afterwards. Compared to the price of your standard popsicle, these molds, at a price of less than $1 a mold, are around 5 times the price. But after you've had 5 popsicles, you won't just be cutting down your cost, you'll also be cutting down on single-use plastics. Number 5. Solar Buddy. Protecting yourself and your kids from the sun's rays is another summer worry. Lugging around a big bottle of sunscreen, getting your hands covered in it, making sure you cover every exposed part of your bodies, and maintaining that coverage throughout the day can be a tiresome and frustrating experience. Solar Buddies is a refillable sunscreen applicator with a roller ball and sponge that helps you apply a thin, homogeneous layer over your skin. Its small size makes it easier to carry with you, the applicator means you won't get your hands caked in it, and it's so easy to use that your kids will probably want to put it on themselves. Number 6. Chillzness Sticks. Perhaps the most horrifying thing about summer, or indeed any time of the year, is warm beer. With the Chillzness Sticks from Let It Beer, you can keep your beer cold or even cool down a warm beer almost instantly. Put the sticks in the deep freeze for around half an hour, pop one in your beer bottle and enjoy a cool, refreshing beer. Warm beer will no longer be a problem unless you're drinking more than one beer every half an hour, in which case you might have a bigger problem. Number 7. Folding sunglasses. Those luminous summer days can be easily dimmed with sunglasses when they get too bright. But when you need to take them off, where do you put them? You can either have them fall off your head, have them uncomfortably pulling at the neck of your shirt, or put them down somewhere to be inevitably forgotten. Well, not the folding aviators from Foldies. These sunglasses fold right up and fit into a tiny pocket-sized leather pouch. And not only do they look cool, but they are available in 7 different colors, have UV 400 protection, and come with a 2-year warranty. Now that's cool. Which one of these products are you going to buy this summer? Let us know in the comments.